Yo, good morning, good morning. I'm doing a little screen test this morning, testing out sound, whether I need to talk closer, further, or whether I need to wear a mic. I'm just going to do a little test about with the in-game volume as well. I'm going to be testing out today the Blight cabin, which is my new favourite cabin. I love this thing. It's like rapid. It's the new Tusk, in my opinion. Okay. We've got a couple of players, but I'm guessing it's a moral join by the end of the game. Sorry, pardon me. God, then I'm going to be a little sheep and follow the herd. Usually I just like zoom off, but this thing's so quick. I'll be on the other side of the map and this lot will still be like pulling around. I don't know, I've never driving behind somebody. Where's he hiding, bro? Where's he hiding? It's fun. He's probably only invisible. Okay, I'm going to post this and see how it went. Sorry for the rubbish commentary.